Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here on DanishAviation. And look at what I got. Just came right at the door actually with the post mail. And yeah, for the first time I will actually try to unbox and see how it goes. So now we here have the box, as you can see. Really lovely art where it shows the aircraft, and you can see it's the Icelandair 757-200 with the 80 year of aviation livery, which I mean is awesome and really beautiful. And if you have checked out my Instagram, you can see that I have just taken some photos of the Hekla Aurora at Copenhagen Airport, and it was my first time seeing it, and now I just got this one. And yeah, maybe I will get it of course with my camera, and yeah, let's hope that we will then open the box. And it's quite hard to open. Be careful, yeah. Oh, we'll open here. Let's see what we got. Beautiful aircraft. Put the box to the side. Let's see. You can see here the NG models have this beautiful packaging with the foam, and it really protects the aircraft quite well. Let's open, and when we have this plastic on top, and let's take it out and let's see what we got. We got a beautiful aircraft here. Wow. And yeah, that's the unboxing, and we will go to the review right now. We will start here with the mold. Of course, here with the NG 757-200 is one of the best molds you can ever have. I have one here with me. It's the also Icelandair, but it's the Hekla Aurora. You can also find it in the link in the description. Here I have the Icelandair 80 years of aviation livery, and I don't have any normal liveries right now of the Icelandair. It's coming very soon, hopefully. I'm just waiting for NG to mail it or send it. And here we have again a 757, and it's perfect. Now that I have looked at it for 1 hour and couldn't find anything, so it got an antenna up here, Wi-Fi dome here, and also an antenna, 2 antennas underneath, and well, the detailing is awesome. So yeah, the mold itself gets a 10 out of 10. And now to the livery, and of course, as you can tell, the livery is very special. It's nothing normal. That's why, of course, I got it. I like very special aircrafts, and this one, it just pops in your eyes. Firstly, I thought I wouldn't get it, mostly because I didn't like the livery, but now that I got it, I can really understand why people love it. It's bright, it's different. I like the tone from the very blue to the more dark blue, or I can say it's the light blue to more dark blue. That's really good. Very neat attention to detail, and as you can tell, it's ice fairs, I think, or mountains actually, that it's supposed to be as delivery, and I couldn't find anything wrong with it. And you can tell everything from the 80 years of aviation to the registration and to the small mountains, and yeah, and also the printing at the nose is really good, and also the cockpit, perfect. So livery here again from NG gets a 10 out of 10. And now to the wings, and the wings here on the 757-200 from NG is still the best wings that I've ever seen. The detailing, the painting itself on it, it's actually quite outstanding. It's very thin and very realistic. As you can see, it's got this metal flare-ish, not very glossy, but a bit, just to be a bit realistic, because of course the real aircraft have paint on them, but it's very thin paint, and it reflects pretty good, and you can see all the flaps, and yeah, the detailing is really good. And also with this 757-200 from Icelandair, we have the very special wingtips, the quite new wingtips that the Boeing have made for the 757, and yeah, can't really be disappointed about that, and that's still a 10 out of 10 for this model. Great, perfect, sorry. And then we go to the landing gear, and the landing gears on this, still, as you can tell, and here, no problems. It rolls perfectly smooth, no tire lumps, all of the wheels turned, and the detailing of the landing gears is quite amazing again. So NG again gets a 10 out of 10. And we will now go to the engines, and the engines have the main problems many times for model aircraft, but this one again amazing. The attachment to the wing fits perfect. I can't find any small holes or something like that, or it's quite sturdy for this size of engines. And the colors inside the engines, that's also something very difficult to make sometimes for other manufacturers, but NG, of course, do it perfectly again and again. So again, 10 out of 10. And yeah, that's hopefully it. We will now go to the conclusion. So conclusion is clearly a winner this time. You can't really complain about anything from NG on these models. The livery is awesome, the mold, it's legendary for a 757 and this size of aircraft in 1 to 400 model scale. It's amazing how they do it, and just do it again and again and again. So I would really recommend that you will someday get a 757 from NG, and at least a Icelandair, because these liveries won't be here for very long on the stores, and NG won't make them forever. So get them now or never, because this is really outstanding. I can tell that I have helped many people to get their models, and this is one of the models that I would really recommend for people to get. And it's clearly a 50 out of 50, this one. 50 out of 50, NG, you surprised me. Actually, no, you don't surprise me. This is this is what you can expect from NG. Perfection all over the place. The colors, the mold itself, the attention to detail, the Wi-Fi on top, it's and the wing fits onto the mold. It's really good. No gaps at all, no faults. I don't know how they do it, but they just buy an NG model and keep buying them. Don't buy any other company. Don't buy Phoenix. I've heard many times that their quality have gone down, and also Gemini. Don't buy Gemini. Don't support them anymore. They really need to fix their models, and right now don't do anything. So yeah, NG is the future, and congrats to NG for the new license for the whole Boeing license. That means they now can do the 777s, the 777X actually, the 747. Please make the 747 correct, NG. I'll beg you. This is something everybody needs. A correct 747, 100, 200, 300, 400, and even the 800. Please. You are exceptional to do that. And we got the TriStar now and the 737, and actually I will get this 737 United next month, or the end of this month, August. The pictures that I've seen, it's ooh, this is top quality, even better than the 757. You can expect that, but of course remember that these models are hard to find now, actually, because so many people get them. So pre-order the models you want, and I can guarantee you that the models will be perfect and you won't be disappointed at all. So pre-order NG models right now, and yeah, and I can say that I'm not sponsored by NG, but I would really like to be sponsored by NG. That could be amazing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, watching this awesome model. And yeah, that's it for me, DanishAviation, and I will see you very soon. Have a great flight.